Welcome back. The process of converting the value of one data type to another is called type conversion. Has two types of type conversion, implicit and explicit. In implicit type conversion, Python automatically converts one data type to another without user intervention. Python will automatically convert integer to float to avoid data loss. For example, x equals 10, y equals 6.5. This means that x is integer, y is float. That will have a type float. Python automatically converted x to float to avoid data loss. On the other hand, explicit typecasting is when the user converts from one data type to another using the built-in function. In the example above, x equals 3, y is a string that have the value of 7. We cannot add integer to string, so this calculation will result in an error. To avoid this error, we can simply convert y to an integer using the built-in function int. Okay, so let's fire up our Jupyter notebook and explore typecasting a bit more. I have created a new notebook, so let's get started with type conversion. Let's declare a variable x equal 10, y will equal 16.3. This is the implicit type conversion, which means that Python will automatically convert integer to float to avoid data loss. Z will equal x and y. Let's also print the type of x, type of y, and type of z. Okay, x is integer, y and z are float, so Python automatically converted x to float to avoid losing the decimal point. Okay, the other type, as we called it, explicit typecasting, the user have to convert from one data type to the other. For example, let's assign x a value of 10 again. Let's assign y value of 7, but y is a string. Let's verify this by print the type of y. Y is a string and x is integer. Do you think we can add integer to string? The answer is no, because Python doesn't know how to convert string to integer automatically. To overcome this, we can do it this way. Let's say that z equal x plus int of y. This will convert the string to an integer and z will have the value of x plus y. Okay, so we can convert a string to an integer by using int. We can convert float to an integer using again int. We can convert any data type to integer using the int function. Similarly, we have float. We can convert a string to float using the float function, or even an int to float using the float function. We also have pool, which will convert any number other than 0 to true and 0 to false. Okay, this will conclude our typecasting lecture. Join me in the next lecture to explore conditional logic. Thank you for watching.